students, now from today onwards we'll start a new chapter, that is chapter 7, cubes and cube root. Okay, so we'll start with exercise 7.1. The first question we are having here is, which of the following numbers are not a perfect cube? So there are altogether 5 sums are given, so you have to find out which are the numbers are not a perfect cube. Okay, so how to find it out? The first step to see that whether this number is a perfect cube or not, the first step that you have to do, you have to find out the prime factors of the required number given. That is, in this case we have 216. So we will find out the prime factor. That is 108. Fine. 108 divided by 2 is again 54. 54 divided by 2 is 27. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. So now we'll write all the prime factors of 216 here. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 3 3s are there. So 3 into 3 into 3. Now see very carefully. In the square and square root chapter, what we were supposed to do? We were doing the pairs, isn't it? But in cube form, to get the number whether it is a cube or not, we will go for the triplets. That means a combination of 3. Fine, triplets. This time we'll go for triplets. Okay, so if you see that all the factors, all the prime factors are in the triplet form, then the required number would be a perfect cube. And if you see that any of the number is not in the cube triplet form, then the required number will be considered as not a perfect cube. But in this case, what we see that all the factors are in triplet form. So we'll say that here 216, here 216 can be grouped in triplets of equal factors. These are all equal, isn't it? 2, 2, 2, all equal factors of equal factors, isn't it? So 216, therefore 216 is a perfect cube. And if you have to know that which is the number that you have to multiply 3 times to get this number, so what is the rule? That 216 for each triplet. In the previous case, what we are supposed to do? For each pair we were supposed to take only one number. Now for each triplet we will take only one digit. For this triplet we will take 3 only. That means 6. That means if you multiply 6 into 6 into 6, we will get 216. So how can we conclude this? Hence we can say, hence 216 is a cube of 6. This is also we can get. Okay. So I hope you have some idea now. Now let's move on to sum number 2. Sum number 2 is 128. Now how to see that whether 128 is a perfect cube or not? Again we'll find the prime factor of 128, that is 2 64s, 2 32s, 2 16, 2 8, 2 4s, 2 2s, 2 1s. Now we'll write all the factors of 128. That means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now we'll see whether all the factors are in triplet form or not. So this is triplet, this is triplet. Ouch, this is not in a triplet form. So there is one particular 2 is left out. Okay, so we'll say that here 1 to 8 cannot be grouped into triplets, as number 2 is left out, isn't it? Number 2 is left out. So 1 to 8 is not a perfect cube. Okay, so 1 to 8 is not a perfect cube. Now I believe that all of you have understood how exactly we can say that which number is a proper cube and not a proper cube. Fine. So now let's do sum number 3. Sum number 3 we have 1000. So let us see whether this 1000 is a perfect cube or not. At first we have to find the prime factors. 2 500s are, 2 250s are, 2 125s are. Now it is not divisible by 3, it will be divisible by 5. 5 25s are, 5 5s are 25, and 5 1s are 5. From here only we can see that they are all in triplet form. So 1000 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, now we'll see that whether all the prime factors are in triplet form or not. It is yes. It is yes. So we'll write that here 1000. Here 1000 can be grouped. Into triplets of equal factors. Of equal factors. Fine. So 1000 is a perfect cube. Now if you have to see which is the number, what is a cube of 1000 then? Okay, so that would be, for each triplet we'll write one digit. For this triplet we'll write 2, and for this triplet we'll write 5. So 2 5s are 10. That means 10 into 10 into 10, you will get 1000. So hence 1000 is a cube of, hence 1000 is a cube of 10. Okay, hence 1000 is a cube of 10. Okay students, now let's see the last sum of this session, that is sum number 4 of question number 1. Sum number 4 we have 100. Okay, so just check. 2 50 2 25 5 5 5 1. Now from here only you can just conclude that this is not a perfect cube because all the factors are not in the triplet form. So we'll write all the factors. 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. So neither 2 is in triplet form nor 5 is in the triplet form. So we can write that here 100 cannot be grouped in triplet form. Okay, cannot be formed in triplet form, as 2 and 5 are left out, isn't it? Are left out. So 100 is not a perfect cube. Okay, so 100 is not a perfect cube. Okay students, and sum number 5, that is given what? I guess it is given 46656. Try it on yourself. Okay, thank you so much. God bless you all and stay blessed.